Hello friend, welcome to my YouTube channel Electrical Boost. Today we are going to discuss network theorem. First of all, we know what is the need of the theorem. Okay. For simplification, more complicated circuits, we use some network theorem. First network theorem we did study Thevenin's theorem. Okay. The Thevenin's theorem's name by scientists known as Thevenin's. Okay, the Thevenin's theorem says that any linear bilateral network can be replaced by an equivalent circuit consisting of a voltage source and a series resistance. The theorem says that any linear network can be converted to a single voltage source. This voltage source is known as VTH. Okay, and with series with a resistance, equivalent resistance, that is RTH. Okay, and connected to the load. Here the equivalent voltage source is called Thevenin's voltage source. This small voltage source is called Thevenin's voltage source. We can say it as open circuit voltage source, or we can say it VOC or open circuit voltage. Okay, and the single series resistor is called Thevenin's resistor or RTH, or Thevenin's equivalent resistance. Okay, here this small circuit is called Thevenin's equivalent circuit. Okay, Thevenin's equivalent circuit. Okay, the Thevenin's equivalent circuit is called Thevenin's equivalent circuit. Okay, next we some procedure to find the Thevenin's theorem. Okay, let this is a circuit. Okay, this is a circuit to where to find Thevenin's equivalent network. Okay, first here the procedure, here we to find VTH, okay, and RTH, and then Thevenin's equivalent. Here we see for step 1 for finding VTH. For finding VTH, we consider first open the terminal where to find Thevenin's equivalent. Here our objective to find Thevenin's equivalent across RL. Okay, here let this is A and this is B. Okay, first step is the open the terminal to find the Thevenin's equivalent. Okay, let's do it. Here open the RL. Okay, we open the RL circuit and all remain as same as usual. Okay, this is R1. Okay, this is R2. Okay, this is V. Okay, and this is R3. Okay, then here to here this is R3. Okay, R3. Here we need to find VTH. Okay, here we need to find the voltage across open circuit terminals, this AB. Okay, using some basic formula. Okay, next step is for finding RTH. First open the terminal where to find Thevenin's equivalent. Okay, as usual, first we open the terminal of here. Then second, the deactivate all independent source. This procedure only for independent source. In our later lectures, we did study the dependent source here, but here only we study independent source. Here you see for voltage source, if the voltage source is present, then short circuit and replace with their internal resistance. Means a voltage source consisting of like is internal resistance with voltage source. Okay, if we deactivate this, then we just replace with their resistor. Okay, and short circuit like that. Okay, let's see, this is AB, and okay, this is internal resistance. Okay, if there is no internal resistance, directly we can short circuit. Okay, in this case there is some internal resistance, but in this case there is no internal resistance. Where voltage source short means Here see, in case of voltage source, we short circuit because in short circuit case the voltage is 0. Okay. In for current source, open circuit and replaced with the internal resistance. In current circuit, you can see in current circuit, this is current circuit and parallel with a internal resistance. Okay. If internal resistance is present, then just open circuit with their internal resistance. Okay. If no internal resistor, then just open circuit. Okay. In the current source, we can open circuited because in open circuit there is no current. Okay. Now next step, then we draw the equivalent circuit, then find the equivalent resistance across the open circuit. First step is that to open the load terminal where to find the Thevenin's equivalent. Then deactive the, if the voltage source is present, voltage source deactive. Then if the current source is present, then deactive the current source. Okay. If all independent source is present like voltage source and current source, we can deactive both. But in our case there is only a source, so we deactive its voltage source, means short circuited. Okay. See here we short circuit the voltage source, here the ideal voltage source, so that no internal resistance, so just replace R1. Okay. And this is R2, this is R3, R2 and R3. Okay. Here we to find equivalent resistance across AB. Okay. RAB or RTH means these two are series, these two are in parallel. This is R1 parallel with R2, then plus R3. Okay. Next step, for the how to draw Thevenin's equivalent circuit. Okay. Here you see we find the voltage, that is VTH. Okay. Then series with their in equivalent is RTH. Okay. Then the load RL. Okay. Okay. If you want to find current is in this case, then IL equal to VTH divided by RTH plus RL. Okay. Thank you for watching this video. In our next video we are going to discuss another type of problem using Thevenin's theorem. Okay. Thank you. Please like and subscribe and comment please. Thank you.